you guys, it's your girl Shani again, and I'm back again because I tried the microwave method again, but I tried it with the Argo in the box. So I want to see, am I doing right by this microwave? Ooh, all right, let's see, you guys. I know most people be done tore this thing up. We gotta figure how to get it open. But anyway, I want to know how you guys like my last video. Thank you so much for all the feedback. And sorry, you guys, I know I look different on every one of my videos, but I be doing a lot. I told you I don't be home much, and I don't get a chance to do this. So every little sneak peek I get, I'm gonna try to get in here and do a video. While I'm doing this, I will say that I will be participating in the movement with Chrissy P. So if you guys want to do that as well, please upload your videos showing you're eating better and also eating smaller portions and also exercising. Do those live and participate. Add them onto her page. Make sure you put like day 1 and stuff like that. I'll be doing that within the next hour or so. Yeah, starchy hands. Anyway, let's get this thing started. Let's see if these microwave Argo, my favorite, you know it. Okay, I did a little something. Mmm. 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 Okay. We're cooking with grease now. I'm getting good at this. With my girl cornstarch added, that's a beast, man. That girl be, them chunks be on. And loving cornstarch and fast, man, they be doing that. I'm trying to graduate with them. Once I get them bricks on, this no good. Like a cereal bowl. Yeah, I had cornstarch and pickles today. Yeah, I remember back in the day we used to do that. Pickles and cornstarch. The microwave thing will be my new best friend.